Okay, we're just going to do a standard cam setup and machine, just a simple block. And we go to start a cam job, and we'll just leave default settings as they are. I'll add a simple tool, which is a 10mm end mill. Next, change the block increment to 1. Leave the rest as it is. Now, our block 2.5. Hang on, made it blue. Start again. And we'll stay within the confines of the material. And we will offset that, offset that 5mm, and that's going to be our profile that we're going to machine, obviously. So we select the function, path mill, you can see our tool. We've got in our design director our default settings, and the path milling setup, I can click on that in the 32-bit version, and we can alter parameters as we wish. And we'll just leave them as they are, and we'll go OK, finish the function, and there we have our tool path. Now, if I right click that and run the simulator, we can run the simulator, and there is our speed slider in here. We can see the tool, we can see the material, and we can see our zigzag tool path. And we'll run the cycle. It's running quite happily. And we're zipping around it, and we can see that our G code, oops, let it finish the cycle. Is done, and we can see that we have a G code for the product, the simple product that it is. Now that's in 32-bit. Now if we go to our 64-bit, and we'll do the same thing, and we will open a template, start a cam job, retain the standard default that we had earlier. I'm retaining the stainless steel. We'll add a tool, the 10mm tool again, go OK, go next, change the block to 1, next, leave it as it is. Now we can see that there is no shape for the material. I'll just get rid of that. We'll change that back to white and go OK. We can see that there's nothing there. I haven't fully set up TurboCAD yet, So we will again create a rectangle, and we will make that 195 by 95. I haven't set this up properly, sorry about this folks. And we will, give me a break, I'm still thinking things through. Offset that 5mm, and we have our profile. Now we go in and we'll do path milling again. Design director is as per the previous version. We select the profile and we come down here to path milling setup, and I left click it, nothing happens. I can't get in and edit any parameters. The tool, as you notice, hasn't shown up as it did in the 32-bit. So I click finish and immediately get this error. Please check the parameters in the inspector bar. Now in the 32-bit it worked, in the 64-bit it didn't. And so we go OK, and there's no point going any further, so I cancel out of it. I can't go any further. That's it. So there's some serious problems here in the 64-bit that need to be addressed pronto. Thanks.